5 Big Lies About Affiliate Marketing. Our topic today is one that I dislike because it hurts affiliate marketers who offer legitimate programs, also hurts those who are sincere about making money online through affiliate marketing. It's an issue that I take personally, and you should also, is the outright lies some marketers use to sell their products, offers, or services. And once a lie starts to circulate as a fact, then misconceptions begin to quickly form as well, making it all the more difficult to discover the truth through the smoke. So, here we go. Remember to like this video and follow us. Affiliate marketing is easy to do. Just like any other business endeavor, it takes work. So this is most definitely a lie. It takes time and skill to develop the ability to see profitable markets and how to tap into them alone. However, a more accurate way to state it would be that affiliate marketing is easier to do than other forms of business or other ways of making money online. The reason is that you are not having to develop your own product or provide the complete customer service for it. Your focus is just promoting, selling it. But again, once you get into the how to promote it, where to promote it and to whom, you quickly find that is not as easy as you were led to believe either. Knowing your market, knowing the product you are promoting, knowing your customer and what they want all take time, knowledge and energy. Anyone can do it. This is lie number 2. It's natural for some promoters or sellers to want to bring as many people in as possible, to increase their sales, so they want to make you believe it. But does it make it true because they state it in all their promotional materials? Of course not. The underlying truth about affiliate marketing, for the most part, is that it is mostly based on commission sales, how you get paid, and that you are on your own, as an independent contractor, period. Not everyone is cracked up for sales or working on their own. Yes, anyone can learn to do sales or to work independently, some much faster than others. With affiliate marketing, you can make lots of money quickly. This is the biggest whopper of them all, for beginners. Once in a blue moon, which happens only once per year, you will hear about some newbie who has hit the affiliate lotto jackpot. With that said, there are exceptions, but that is the point. Exceptions. If you sell a product priced at $6,000 and earn a 75% commission, you just made $4,500 in one sale. That's a 4-figure moment. But wait, my point is just that, it was for that moment. My question is, can you do it again? Will you do it again over and over? If so, then you will make lots of money and can make it quickly. Did you know that most conversions for sales are around 2%? So that means as an affiliate, you would need to generate enough targeted traffic, interested visitors, of 17,650 people through the sales offer to make those sales. Is it even possible for a newbie to generate that amount of targeted traffic? I've said enough. You don't need to spend any money to start. Really? Marketer selling that knowledge to your unsuspecting prospect for a fee, if it doesn't require any money to start? A better statement to the truth would be, you don't need a lot of money to start. You need money to start, period. If you are planning on making money online, or anywhere, then you are considering going into business. I have not found a business that one could go into that didn't require at least some amount of money to invest. Yes, you can join affiliate marketing programs for free. Start promoting them online for free with your free affiliate link. But that is pretty much where the free ends. Anything beyond that will cost you something. At least time and effort. Is going into affiliate marketing even worth it? When you look past the lies, look at the real possibilities available to you and discover that there are thousands of affiliate marketers that really do make a living online. Then the truth will lead you to make a better decision for yourself and loved ones. Like anything else, affiliate marketing success does take time. It takes effort on your part, including gaining the knowledge and experience. In addition, it can be quite rewarding both financially and in what you do. Affiliate marketing is adaptable, where you can find profitable markets that not only provide a valuable service to others, but also a distinguished position for you. What struggles are you currently facing with affiliate marketing or your online business? Leave me a comment below. I just may have a solution and I'd love to help. Please follow and like us. See you in the next video.